Watch these birds. There's thousands and thousands of them. Probably hundreds of thousands. They're flocking up over the top of the train. See that? They're flocking up to get ready to migrate. That only means one thing here in Minnesota. It's about to get really cold because they're on their way. See them? I can zoom in. Thousands and thousands and thousands of them. It's actually quite fascinating if you watch them. They're just like in a big hurricane. You got a few lone souls over there. Look at that. Those are all birds getting ready to leave. It's so sad to me because I just absolutely love the animals in Minnesota, and they all the birds leave. They got to go down to warmer climate, and there they go. And that's south, and that's it. They're gone. There's a few flybys still waiting, but that big clump back there is probably 100,000 birds. It's crazy. They're still gathering. Look at that. Unbelievable. Nature at work.